In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create a professional video from Canva. So first, you need to open your Canva app. Then you need to click on the plus icon at the bottom. Then you need to search here video. Then you can click on any option there which suits your requirements. So for example, I click on video. Then you can select any template you want to create a video on. For example, if you want to create a gaming intro, you can just select the second template. For example, I selected. Then you have the template on your screen. Now you can play this template. Okay, now you can edit it as well. For example, if you want to edit this, you can just click on the name. Then you can edit it. You can just edit it simply. Okay, so this is how you can edit it very simply. Now I can edit this as well. This is how I can easily edit my video in Canva. And for